Hi, my name is Alejandro Ordóñez Rojas. Chingaza National Park and Ecopark Sabana. Chingaza National Natural Park overview. Located in the Eastern Andes, approximately 1 2 hours east of Bogota, covers around 76,000 hectares of protected high mountain ecosystems, main source of drinking water for more than 70% thousand of Bogota's population, established to conserve paramo ecosystems, cloud fosters, and high Andean biodiversity, a strategic area for climate regulation and hydrological balance, mm, include numerous lagoons and glacial lakes, such as Laguna de Chingaza, and visitor activities include hiking, wildlife observation, and environmental interpretation. Chingaza ecosystems. Paramo ecosystems, one of the world's most efficient natural water factories. High levels of humidity allow the vegetation to trap water from fog and clouds. Cloud forests feature dense vegetation, moss, ferns, and high biodiversity. Wetlands and lagoons maintain delicate hydrological cycles crucial for Bogota. Unique endemic plant species, including frailejones, which regulate water absorption, and cold temperatures and strong winds shape the low growing vegetation. Chingaza Wildlife. Home to the spectacled bear, the only bear species in South America. White-tailed deer frequently spotted in open paramosas in the areas. Large population of native birds, including Andean condors and hummingbirds, contains pumas, tapirs, fox, and the small mammals adapted to cold climates. Rich amphibian diversity, including high altitude frogs and salamanders, and a critical refuge for endangered and migratory species. Chingaza cultural y environmental importance. Territory historically inhabited by the Muisca indigenous civilization, and sacred lagoons were used for rituals and spiritual offerings, contributes significantly to the regional water cycle and aquifer recharge, helps mitigate climate change impacts due to carbon storage in paramos, and offers educational programs for conservation and sustainability. How to see Chingaza National Natural Park? Now, Ecopark Sabana overview. Located in Cota, approximately 20 minutes from Bogota, created as an environmental, recreational, and educational ecocenter, focus on restoring native Sabana de Bogota ecosystems, promote sustainability, interaction between communities and nature, provides green space from families, students, and researchers, and includes walking trails, wetlands, reforestation areas, and learning zones. Activities and attraction. Great ecological walks explaining local flora and fauna, bird watching station with observation platforms, educational workshops on sustainability, conservation, and recycling, outdoor recreation, how picnic, jogging, and natural photography, wetland restoration activities involving local communities, and interpretive paths with environmental signage. Environmental role. Access green along from the Bogota metropolitan area, important corridor for birds and small mammals, protects remnants of native Andean forest and wetland systems. Green infrastructure helps combat urban heat and pollution, and supports biodiversity regeneration through native plant restoration. Comparison: Chingaza versus Ecopark Sabana. Chingaza, large protected national park, and Ecopark regional conservation area. Chingaza focused on the watershed protection, and Ecopark on urban ecological recovery. Chingaza offers wilderness experience, and Ecopark offers accessible education space. Both contribute to conservation, biodiversity, and environmental awareness. Both are key for community involvement and sustainability. Visitation. How to see Parque Sabana. And conclusion, both sides play essential roles in Colombia environmental conservation. Chingaza safeguards critical water sources and high Andean ecosystems. Ecoparque Sabana restores the land space and provides environmental education. Together, they promote sustainability, biodiversity protections, and ecological awareness, and ideal destinations for responsible tourism, research, and community engagement. Much thanks. See you later.